Imagine a bustling crowd at a concert. Everyone is trying to get to the exit, moving from a packed area to a less crowded one. This is similar to diffusion, a process where particles travel from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration, aiming for balance. It's like nature's way of achieving equilibrium without any extra energy. But what factors influence how fast this process happens? Let's dive in. First, temperature plays a crucial role. As temperature increases, particles gain energy and move faster, speeding up diffusion. Picture how a drop of food coloring spreads more quickly in hot water than in cold. Next, consider concentration. The greater the difference in concentration between two areas, the faster diffusion occurs, as there's a steeper gradient driving the movement. Finally, particle size matters. Smaller particles move more easily, while larger ones slow down the process. Think of how smoke disperses swiftly in the air compared to larger dust particles. Understanding these factors can help us grasp how essential processes like oxygen exchange in the lungs occur efficiently, ensuring our cells get what they need to function optimally. So, whether it's nutrients or gases, diffusion is vital for life, seamlessly connecting the microscopic world within us.